franchise owners. Franchise Business Review recently called Mosquito Authority a top emerging franchise, a top low-cost franchise, and gave us their Franchisee Satisfaction Award. Customers love us, and mosquitoes hate us. The Mosquito Authority has just opened up a limited number of new franchise territories for sale. If you know a great thing when you see it, you have to call Mosquito Authority now. Get all the details for yourself.
Media aren't going to report it. They want to report accusations and anything that might make him look bad. They have been trying to do this since he started in the primary in 2015, and they haven't been able to get anything to stick. This is why they keep trying and trying. But I believe that hidden voters out there, and I think that a lot of people are going to vote for him, that the models say that they aren't going to vote for him.
So you think this is a close race? You think this could go down to the wire?
I would call this a dead heat right now, based on the polls, based on anecdotal information. I wouldn't believe a 5-point difference. Look, one of the polls that came out today, that I got today, may have come out yesterday by I think it was the Wall Street Journal and the New York Times. They only had several hundred people in that, and the headline was, Killary Clinton leads Trump by 11 points. I don't believe it. You can't call a poll valid, in my opinion, with less than 1,000 and with an equal number of likely voters that